Today, we're diving into the Fullcom new 14.0-inch screen panel replacement for the Aspire 1A114-31-C4HH laptop. The FHD 1920x1080 resolution promises a crisp display, and with a slim form factor, it aims to refresh your visual experience. The LCD screen comes with a matte or glossy finish, depending on stock availability. The 30-pin connector, located at the bottom right, ensures compatibility, making the replacement process smoother. The ISO norm mentions the possibility of 3 to 5 dead pixels, so let's examine if that impacts the overall viewing experience. Firstly, the 14-inch size is ideal for those seeking a balance between portability and screen real estate. The glossy color display enhances vibrancy, though keep in mind that it might introduce some glare in well-lit environments. The Fullcom resolution delivers a full HD experience, offering sharp details and vibrant colors. The matte finish, if available, could be a preference for users looking to reduce reflections. Installation is straightforward, and the 30-pin connector ensures a hassle-free setup. The potential for 3 to 5 dead pixels, as per ISO norm, may be a concern for some users, so inspect the screen carefully upon arrival. In conclusion, the Fullcom new 14.0-inch screen panel replacement offers a promising upgrade for the Aspire 1A114-31-C4HH laptop, providing a full HD display with options for matte or glossy finishes. Consider your preference for screen type and be mindful of the ISO norm regarding potential dead pixels during your purchase. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.